Hi, this is Adriana, and tonight I want to share one of the 5 things that happens to your brain when you dance. So the first one is that it enhances neuroplasticity. So dancing is not only fun, but it improves how your brain functions. So there was this study that was published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and it was conducted over a period of 21 years with senior citizens, 75 years and older. And they measured the mental acuity in aging by monitoring the rates of dementia. And the goal was to find out whether any physical or cognitive recreational activities had any effect on mental acuity. And they found out that some of the cognitive activities, they did influence mental acuity, but none of the physical activities had any effect except for dancing. For instance, reading 35% reduced risk of dementia. Bicycling and swimming, 0. Doing crossword puzzles at least 4 times a week, it was 47% reduced risk of dementia. Playing golf, 0. Dancing, on the other hand, reduced 76% the risk of dementia. So Dr. Katzman explains that people who dance on a regular basis, they have greater cognitive reserves and an increased complexity of neuronal synapses. So dancing lowers the risk of dementia because it continually rewires the neural pathways. Therefore, it enhances neuroplasticity. So there you have it. That's the first thing that happens to your brain when you dance. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to continue with the second one tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.